The something that one, yeah, a seasoned pepper, that one.
Seasoned pepper?
Yeah. So that one they ready. Pick that.
Yeah, pick it, man.
Pick him from up, sir. Watch it. Right there, sir.
Oh, right there, sir.
That one already too. So.
It's a brown.
Yeah, man. Before it turn red, it go look brown, man. Yeah. I go turn red, and the color I get from it now. Is me, but you know it. Like I see him like I used in and right, man. Hold on. That one I season pepper. What me I get one in that one? Hold on.
You know that one.
Yeah, this man.
The wet in the one there.
Hold on, man.
The black one.
No, me not the black one. Me not sure. Me not sure if none there. Can them one in a beer.
Leave more straighter.
But see scotch, yeah. That one I'm want to get. But that one are the season pepper. This. Well, that one there season pepper. But this hot like a fire.
Pick one of the green one, them dog.
Yeah, man.
It's hot.
Like fire.
The mother has a shade this already, you know.
Yeah, man.
That's the moment them one are some maca scratchy them, yeah.
Yeah.
Cause I say, oh, them soup with on it.
Yeah. Them
there. Not ready.
Cause
I say them are never ready. Cause the pan is them are not ready.
It ready, man. I just saw it still.
I just saw that one I grow.
Cause then they fully fit. This a season pepper again.
Brother, the black one me I try catch.
You saw them big? I want to catch the black one too, you know. But guess what chicken now? Me no remember which one I bag them. Me have them seed in or them in I bag or the one they spoil. Is it? I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure.
One of them over there so where I grow got to be, man, because it grow. It leave them.
Hey, they
leave them grow like this.
Like that one.
They not grow regular. They grow straight.
Ah, dear. You see one of that one somewhere where place.
They grow straight.
Oh. See that one? That one a different breed too. Our straight one. Is it?
You see that one?
This is supposed to scratch it, you know. What different?
Brown pepper is the brown pepper them?
What? They're so soft.
You see it, man. You see brown pepper them? They don't have that gritty upon it, yeah? They have a smooth this like this.
Ah, dear.
They will shape like this, you know. But then they smooth like this.
It's perfect.
That one there. Any you see if the one that have the gritty upon it, I don't eat. If you don't have it upon it, I can't eat.
True. Me supposed to have a brown pepper seed in them, man. My the empress. Bro, me bending on man, you say go out and do the thing, man. Bro, me upset, man, cause the man know if you take care of it, just keep the goat them off my place. And you see yeah, bro. I appreciate that, man. I can't even know, man. And you see me jump on the fence. Right now, mom's a fix up the fence next door, you know.